Welcome to this tutorial on tips for TD Bank checking account, where we will guide you through the key concepts and best practices to get the most out of your account. First, let's start with the benefits of having a TD Bank checking account. With a TD Bank checking account, you can manage your finances easily, pay bills online, and access your account information anytime. You can also take advantage of TD Bank's extensive network of branches and ATMs across the US and Canada. To open a TD Bank checking account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a TD Bank branch. Once you have opened your account, you can fund it with an initial deposit, which can be done online, by mobile deposit, or in person. You can also set up direct deposit to have your paycheck or government benefits deposited directly into your account. Now, let's talk about some tips to help you make the most of your TD Bank checking account. First, make sure to keep track of your account activity and balance to avoid overdrafts and late fees. You can do this by setting up account alerts and regularly checking your account online or through the TD Bank mobile app. Another tip is to take advantage of TD Bank's overdraft protection service, which can transfer funds from a linked savings or credit account to your checking account in case of an overdraft. You can also set up a budget and track your spending to stay on top of your finances. In addition, TD Bank offers a range of checking account options, including low-fee and interest-bearing accounts. Consider your financial needs and goals when choosing a checking account, and don't hesitate to reach out to TD Bank's customer service if you have any questions or concerns. Finally, remember to keep your account information secure by using strong passwords and keeping your account details confidential. You can also set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of your TD Bank checking account and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful.